What is up, weather enthusiasts? I'm your host, Pat's Path Predictor, and let's go ahead and get right into the weather. So a couple of days ago, we broke a story on Pat's Path Predictor on basically a tornado that hit Kansas City, resulting in tens of thousands of people being without power. Now we have an update to that story. In fact, there was not one tornado, but there were 4 of them, all of which were EF-1 or EF-2. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into this. We also have some more video for you to take a look at. So, we're going to go ahead and dive right into this in just a second, but be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications for more videos like these. It helps me out and helps me make more videos like these, and the goal of this channel is to get more people engaged with weather. But with that being said, let's dive right into it. Alright, so, striking videos capture tornado that touched down near Kansas City. Before we get into this, we're actually going to go ahead and look at what the NWS has put out. So they put out a few tweets on Twitter, and basically the storm surveyors, they're completely done. They say 4 tornadoes struck the greater Kansas City region early Wednesday morning. It was like at 1:30 to like 2 o'clock in the morning, for context real quickly. On Wednesday, NWS officials released details of an EF-1 tornado that generally followed a path along West 95th Street in Johnson County between Interstate 435 near near Interstate 49, Interstate 435, Interstate 470 interchange in Kansas City, Missouri on the east. So this is the tornado that hit Kansas City right here. This is an EF-1. It had winds of 100 miles per hour. Its max width was 125 yards, and it was on the ground for 14 miles. So, yeah, it was on the ground for about 20 minutes. So, we needed to break that story to you guys just to show you what was going on. We had, I want to correct myself. We had a couple of EF-0 tornadoes, but this was the EF-2 tornado that we needed to talk about. This was in northeast Jackson County. There were winds. This is the EF-2 with winds of 115 miles per hour. The max width was around 200 yards. It was on the ground for like 9 minutes and about 9 miles. So that's the situation we have right here. So we're gonna actually go ahead and take a look at another one of these tweets right here. We actually have this. We had 2 EF-0 tornadoes. The first tornado had winds of 85 miles per hour. The first tornado had winds of 85 miles per hour, lasted 14 minutes, and its max width was like 75 yards. So that's what we have right there. The second tornado 2, was winds of 80 miles per hour. It was on the ground for about 13 minutes and on the ground for 9.5 miles. So, yeah, the max width was once again 75 yards. So that's just a quick update. Now let's go ahead and get into the video of this, because we have quite a lot of it. So, yeah, this week we covered this. We had few reports of structural damage, thankfully. There were a lot of power lines. There were a lot of people lost power. We actually have some new video I want to show you, and we're going to go ahead and play this right now, and we're going to react to it as it goes on. Alright, so this is what we have right here. Look at this right here. This is a lot of lightning was around this. This was in Kansas City, and this was a resident, Dan Shriver, basically. He appeared, let's go ahead and pause this real quickly. And there was a wall cloud that developed into a tornado overnight Tuesday. We know this. And it literally says in the thing below. But I want to take a look at this. Like, look at this. Look at this structure of this tornado and wall cloud right here. Like, this is very impressive footage. And yeah, I personally, I wouldn't be out in this with all the lightning and stuff, and just some of that could be power flashes as well. I want everyone to understand that. So yeah, this tornado formed at 120, like between 117 and 123. Like, that's how late this stuff formed. So, yep, I want everyone to understand this, and just this is a very impressive situation. The rain starting to form. And we also had some. We also had some footage of traffic cams showing very powerful winds as a suspected tornado moved through the area. There was a power flash, knocked the lights offline. and the whole thing caught it on camera. We reacted to it here on Pat's Path Predictor. So with that being said, that's going to wrap up this update video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. It helps, it helps me make more videos like these. The goal with this channel is to get more people engaged with weather, and I hope I'm doing with this channel. It is also here to alert people of potential hazards such as tornadoes, hurricanes, winter storms, severe weather, all the above. So with that being said, guys, have a wonderful day. Stay safe.